Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to show you how I draw on my jean pocket by acrylic. Actually, I love wearing jeans every day, but I'm used to wearing plain and boring jeans. I want to make them look fancy and cool. So today I'm going to show you two ideas to draw on jeans pocket. Now let's get started. For the first idea, I was inspired by the picture that I saw on Pinterest. It's basically really simple and easy to draw, which is a face. I'm just starting out with drawing the face line by gray pen. Actually, it's not easy to draw on jeans because the style design on it, but okay, you just draw again 2 or 3 times. After drawing face well done, I'm going to use white acrylic color to overlapping on gray line. You also paint again and again to pull the face. Okay, it's done. It looks really simple and easy to do, but so cool, right? Now, let's move on to the second paint. I also was inspired on Pinterest. I love Mickey Mouse so much. He looks so cute and fun face. Like the first paint, I'm going to draw in Mickey on jeans pocket by gray pen. As you can see, Mickey Mouse appears clearer than the face because I'm drawing on blue jeans. Now it's time to paint acrylic color on him. I'm starting with black color to overlapping all the lines around. Next, I'm using white color to paint his face, one dot on his nose and two dots on his throat. I'm going to use black color again to paint over the rest of his head and his upper body and his leg. Next, I'm using red color to paint in his throat. Now I add some yellow color on plate to paint in his shoe to finish. Please paint 2 or 3 layers to make him bolder. Alright, that's quite done. It's super easy and simple to do, and I think he looks really cute. Now, let's see both of them again. Hope you enjoy it, and see you next week. Bye!